What if the quality of a drug could be built into its design rather than being tested after production? This is the promise of the analytical quality by design, AQbD approach. It's a revolutionary concept that's transforming the pharmaceutical landscape. At its core, AQbD is all about designing quality into the very heart of the process, right from the beginning. This is a stark departure from the traditional approach, where quality was something that was tested for after the fact. Imagine instead of producing a batch of drugs and then testing to see if they meet quality standards, we design the process so that quality is assured from the get-go. It's a proactive rather than reactive approach. This is more than just a theory. It's being applied in the real world with the potential to improve not just the quality of our drugs, but also the efficiency of their production. This is the new paradigm of drug production, a shift from quality by test to quality by design. The AQbD approach is not a random innovation, it's guided by a set of principles. These principles, when applied effectively, offer the potential to create high-quality, safe and effective pharmaceutical products. At the heart of the AQbD approach is the Quality Target Product Profile, or QTPPP. This is the first step, and it's all about defining what a successful product looks like. It's a detailed description of the desired quality characteristics of the drug product, which may include factors like dosage form, delivery mechanisms, bioavailability, and the stability of the product. Next, we have the critical quality attributes, or CQA. These are the physical, chemical, biological, or microbiological properties or characteristics that should be within an appropriate limit, range, or distribution to ensure the desired product quality. They are derived from the QTPP and are crucial in ensuring that the product meets its intended design, quality, and performance characteristics. Moving forward, we have risk assessment. This involves identifying and analyzing potential issues that could negatively impact key business initiatives or critical projects to ensure that they are avoided or dealt with in a way that minimizes their impact. This is a proactive approach, and it's all about anticipating, managing, and mitigating risk. Then comes the design space. This is the multi-dimensional combination and interaction of input variables that have been demonstrated to provide assurance of quality. It's about exploring the boundaries and finding the sweet spot where the process delivers the best results. Following this, we have the control strategy. This is a planned set of controls, derived from current product and process understanding that assures process performance and product quality. It's about maintaining consistency, quality, and performance throughout the production process. Finally, there's continuous improvement. The AQbD approach isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous cycle of improvement and optimization, always striving for better, safer, and more effective products. These principles form the backbone of AQbD, guiding its implementation and success in the pharmaceutical industry. To better understand AQbD, let's delve into a real-world case study. Let's consider the production of a hypothetical drug. Let's call it Zanaclor. Zanaclor is an essential medicine used in the treatment of a widespread illness, but its production process was fraught with inconsistencies, leading to variable drug quality and yield. The pharmaceutical company producing Zanaclor decided to implement the principles of analytical quality by design, or AQbD, to address these issues. The first step in the AQbD approach was to define the Quality Target Product Profile, or QTP, for Zanaclor. This involved identifying the critical quality attributes of the drug, its purity, potency, and physical properties, that were essential for its therapeutic effectiveness. Next, the company conducted a risk assessment to identify the potential sources of variability in the production process that could affect these critical quality attributes. They identified several factors, including the quality of raw materials, the conditions of the manufacturing process, and the performance of the analytical methods used to test the drug. With these potential risks identified, the company then developed a design space, a multidimensional combination of input variables and process parameters that would ensure the consistent production of Zanaclor. This involved using statistical models to understand the relationships between the identified factors and the drug's critical quality attributes. Once the design space was established, the company could then systematically control the production process to consistently produce Zanaclor within the defined quality parameters. This involved the implementation of a robust control strategy which included real-time monitoring and control of the production process, as well as the use of advanced analytical techniques to ensure the quality of the final product. The results were astounding. Not only did the application of AQbD principles lead to a more consistent production process for Zanaclor, but it also resulted in a significant improvement in the drug's quality. The company reported fewer batch failures, a reduction in production costs, and an increase in overall yield. Moreover, the company was able to gain a deeper understanding of the production process, which allowed them to make further improvements and innovations. They were also better equipped to comply with regulatory requirements, as they could demonstrate a thorough understanding of their process and the controls in place to ensure product quality. But perhaps the most significant benefit was to the patients who rely on Zanaclor for their treatment. With a more consistent and higher quality drug, they could be assured of its efficacy and safety, improving their overall health outcomes. This case study illuminates the real-world potential of AQbD in revolutionizing drug production. By applying the principles of AQbD, pharmaceutical companies can not only improve the quality and consistency of their products, but also enhance their understanding of the production process, leading to further innovations and improvements. Scene script. Like any approach, AQbD comes with its own set of benefits and challenges. Let's dive into the benefits first. The AQbD approach offers a significant improvement in drug quality by focusing on understanding and controlling formulation and manufacturing variables. It ensures that the final product meets the desired quality attributes consistently. This means fewer recalls, less waste, and improved patient safety. Then there's the issue of costs. Implementing AQbD might seem like a significant investment up front, but it pays off in the long run. With a thorough understanding of the process and product, companies can reduce production costs by minimizing the need for extensive post-production testing and reducing batch failures. It's a case of spending a little more now to save a lot later. In addition, AQbD can lead to increased regulatory compliance. Regulatory bodies around the world are encouraging the adoption of AQbD as it aligns with their risk-based approach to quality management. So companies that adopt AQbD are not just improving their products, they're also staying ahead of the regulatory curve. But like all things, AQbD is not without its challenges. The biggest hurdle is perhaps the need for a paradigm shift. Moving from a traditional testing-focused quality control to a science-based, risk-focused quality assurance approach is a significant change. It requires a new mindset, new skills, and a commitment to continuous learning. Moreover, AQbD requires advanced analytical techniques. These techniques can provide in-depth information about the process and product, but they also require a high level of expertise and can be time-consuming and costly to implement. Despite these challenges, it's important to remember that the benefits of AQbD far outweigh the hurdles. Yes, it requires a new way of thinking and advanced analytical techniques, but it also leads to improved drug quality, reduced costs, and increased regulatory compliance. Recognizing these benefits and challenges is crucial for effective implementation of AQbD. And with that understanding, companies can take the necessary steps to fully embrace the AQbD approach and reap its rewards. So, where is AQbD heading in the future? As we look forward, we see the analytical quality by design approach becoming more than just a strategy, but a standard in the pharmaceutical industry. AQbD's systematic, risk-based approach to drug development is transforming the way we view and manage quality. The future of AQbD is intertwined with the evolution of technology. With advancements in data analytics, AI, and machine learning, AQbD can be applied more efficiently and effectively. These technologies can help in the design phase, predicting outcomes and identifying potential risks before they become problems. They can also improve the monitoring and control phase, providing real-time data that allows for quick adjustments. Moreover, the future of AQbD sees it playing a key role in the development of personalized medicine. As the medical field moves towards a more patient-centric approach, the need for individualized treatment plans is paramount. AQbD, with its focus on quality, can help ensure that personalized drugs are safe, effective, and of high quality. In addition, AQbD may be instrumental in addressing the challenges of developing drugs for rare diseases. These conditions, often neglected due to the small patient population, can benefit from the efficient, quality-focused approach of AQbD. And let's not forget the role of AQbD in the development of biosimilars and complex generic drugs. These products, which are more complicated than traditional small molecule drugs, require a more sophisticated approach to ensure quality. AQbD, with its comprehensive risk-based strategy, is well suited to meet this need. But as with any evolution, there will be challenges. The industry will need to embrace change, invest in technology, and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Regulatory bodies will need to update their guidelines to accommodate the AQbD approach, and academia will need to adjust their curricula to prepare the next generation of pharmaceutical professionals. The future of AQbD is promising, potentially heralding a new era of quality, efficiency, and personalization in drug production. The journey ahead is exciting, and we're looking forward to seeing what this future holds.